I once was lost in sin, but Jesus took me in. And then a little light from heaven filled my soul.
It packed my heart in love and wrote my name above.
And just a little talk with Jesus made me whole.
Now let us
Have a little talk with Jesus.
let us
Tell him all about our troubles.
He will
Hear our friendless cry,
and He will
answer by and by. Now when you feel a little prayer wheel turning, you will know a little fire is burning.
you will
Find a little talk with Jesus, makes it right, makes it right. Sometimes my path seems dim without a ray of cheer, and then a cloud of God may hide the light of day.
a mist of sin may rise and hide the starry skies,
But just a little talk with Jesus clears the way.
now let us
Have a little talk with Jesus.
let us
Tell him all about our troubles.
He will
Hear our friendless cry,
and He will
answer by and by. Now when you feel a little prayer wheel turning, you will know a little fire is burning.
you will
Find a little talk with Jesus, makes it right, makes it right. I may have doubt and fears, my eyes may fill with tears, but Jesus is a friend who watches day and night. I go to Him in prayer, He knows my every care, and just a little talk with Jesus makes it right.
now let us
Have a little talk with Jesus.
let us
Tell him all about our troubles.
He will
Hear our friendless cry,
and He will
answer by and by. Now when you feel a little prayer wheel turning, you will know a little fire is burning.
you will
Find a little talk with Jesus, makes it right, makes it right.
now let us
Have a little talk with Jesus.
let us
Tell him all about our troubles.
He will
Hear our friendless cry,
and He will
answer by and by. Now when you feel a little prayer wheel turning, you will know a little fire is burning.
you will
Find a little talk with Jesus. Find a little talk with Jesus. Find a little talk with Jesus.